Today I'm in Sevierville, Tennessee. My wife is having a girls trip, and lucky enough the spouses were invited, so I was able to tag along. The girls are doing a spa day today, but I brought this, so I'm going to be doing my own type of spa day here. Going to be doing some riding up on the Foothills Parkway. Just wait till I pull out of here and you see these twisties I'm about to show you guys. They're slow going, you can't go fast, but man, they are twists and turns all over the place. And then we're going to go up to the Foothills Parkway, ride with a close friend of mine. So you guys stick around. Don't know what's in store for today, but going to try to keep it interesting. All right, here we go. We're taking off over here. Like I was saying, some of these twisties, they are just crazy right through here. We're not going to be able to get much speed. I just really want you guys to check it out more than anything. So here we go. Off of our Gatlinburg, Tennessee, Sevierville adventure, Foothills Parkway adventure. Now, something that is really neat that I want to draw your attention to, this bridge that's at the top of the hill right there. So that overpass right there, that is the Foothills Parkway. So that's how close we are. Pretty neat if you ask me. So what we're going to do, we're going to cruise down to the Dollar General and meet Colin or Broncoride over there. And then we're going to enjoy a little bit of time on the Foothills Parkway. So let's get to it. Right now we are on, well, 321 North. I think this is also called Wares Valley Road in Sevierville. Just, I mean, look to my right over here. That mountaintop, it's just so beautiful. There's so much good riding through here. That's why whenever this came up and my wife was telling me about, you know, her girls trip and the spouses were coming along, I was like, well, I gotta bring a bike. If the girls are doing a spa day, I've got to bring a bike. And it just made sense to come out here and spend the day riding this beautiful part of the South. So I am really looking forward to it. And I think this road right here to my right, if you cruise down through there, that'll take you, I think it's called Little River Gorge or Little River something. Anyway, beautiful, beautiful riding through there as well. Well, we had a fabulous time last night, that's for sure. So it's myself, Winnie, my wife, and two other couples. Just kind of had a good time hanging out at the cabin last night. We played Cards Against Humanity. I've never played that before. But if you are squeamish or you are easily offended, that is not the game for you. I was actually told by the guy that was sitting next to me that he wasn't sure he wanted to sleep under the same roof as me, because my answers got so dark sometimes. But it was so much fun. I just had an absolute blast. Well, 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 look over to my right. There is the man. Some people know him as Broncoride. Some people know him as Colin. But he's going to be hanging out with us. Alright, let's get this guy fired up. Want to? Alrighty, to the Foothills Parkway we go. Colin seems to think it's a good idea that I jump out in front. I'm not so sure about that. Let's see what happens. Woohoo! I didn't miss my turn. All right, let's get on it. These are some sweet twisties through here. Now I think we're about, look at this guy. Whoa, look at him go. They'll leave me like I am sitting still. Now we are coming up on probably what is one of my favorite scenic overlooks. We'll spend some time there at some point today, I'm sure, but at least for now I'm just going to blast on by. All right, well, Colin and I just stopped off over here at the Foothills Parkway. We're just kicking it for a few minutes. Beautiful Pan America and my Road Glide over here. The bikes are one thing, but look at this view. This is just something that's, you just don't get to see this every day. Just beautiful out here. If you ever get the chance to come to Tennessee, ride the Foothills Parkway. Beautiful day, beautiful scenery. Doesn't get much better than this.
You shouldn't have to text work like I'm doing.
You should not have to work on a beautiful day like this. People have better things to do than jobs.
Texting work. And I'm like, come on, people figure it out. I'm looking at this, right?
Right.
Jesus.
Just beautiful. All right, well, we're going to continue our adventure here, so hang in here with us. Yeah, look at this right here. Got this nice little section of bridge that just winds through. You've got this beautiful overlook right here. I mean, that's just crazy. Look at that. That is beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. Here we go again. Just absolutely beautiful. I can see Colin back there standing up, getting a good view. I don't blame him at all. All right, now Colin's jumping out in front. Now Colin will do his thing and really take off. He's a much faster rider than I am, and that's one of the things about moving out of the way. Whether it's another motorcycle or a car, you want to move out of the way, let everybody ride their own ride and have a good time. So that's what we're going to let Colin do. Just take off and do his thing, man. All right, it's time for a little Foothills Parkway entrance sign photos. Scoot. Oh, heck yeah, dude. Well, I'll pull over there when you want to make yours.